In this video, I'm just going to show you how to take apart and clean out an Xbox 360 controller. This one I have right here is very dirty. The X button is mushy and it won't go up all the time. But the rest are really good, and I'm just going to show you how to clean it out. The first thing you need is a star head for a screwdriver. There are a total of 7 screws on the outer shell that you need to remove. There are 2 right here, 2 right here, 2 more right here, and the last one is just right here. And if you can't see it, that's because it is under the sticker and you just have to scrape it out. That is all the screws on the outer shell. Once all the screws are out, you should just pop the back out. And here's the motherboard. Right now, I would recommend just pushing the thumbsticks to get the motherboard out of the shell. It will take some pressure, but it is okay. And now here are the buttons. You can start removing them individually. The D-pad is the only one with screws in it right there, so you will have to unscrew those in order to get it out. You are going to need a 4-headed screwdriver to get the screws out of the D-pad. And the easiest way to really get the D-pad out is to just push down on the D-pad and just kind of grab your screwdriver and just push it out. And there are 2 pieces to the D-pad. Now just go ahead and just take the bumpers off and the rest of it. And that's taken apart 360. You can take off the thumbsticks if you were curious. Now I'm going to tell you what you should use to clean it. When cleaning, please do not use chemicals. It can damage the the surface of the shell and like buttons. I would recommend using like rubbing alcohol or just water, but you don't want to get the water, of course, on the motherboard. You can use something sharp-ish. Don't be careful to not scratch, of course, but to get rid of the dirt and stuff. And make sure if you do have a problem with your buttons being mushy, make sure to clean the dirt individually with like Q-tips or like a cloth here to just get it where. And here was the part that made the X button mushy. Once you're done cleaning the controller, putting it back together should be just as easy as it is taking it apart. And don't forget to screw in the screws for the D-pad. And make sure to be careful when putting the motherboard back in. Just to be careful to not like put the rubber stuff where it's in a bad spot. Just be very careful. And it should be very easy. Make sure the thumbsticks pop out when putting it back in also. Push it down and make sure. And now putting back on the outer shell. I like to put the shell from the triggers and then push these like springs down, and it can be hard sometimes when putting it in, and it should click right in when you get it. And lastly, just put in the screws. And there you go. Now that is the complete tutorial on taking apart and putting back your Xbox 360 controller. Now my X button is perfectly as new as it was. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, bye.